Using a trim removal tool, you want to remove these 6 plastic inserts from the top of the grill. Grab the grill and gently pull it forward. And tilt the grill away from the body. Go ahead and twist and remove the marker light bulbs from both sides and remove the grill. These 2 plastic clips, you can use your finger or a small screwdriver. You want to just press in on this little tab to release that pressure. And then pull the marker light out through the front. Install the marker light through the front, line up the tabs, and push it until you hear the tabs click into place. Lower the grill down, grab your marker light bulb, line this up, and install the bulb. Twist that into place and repeat for the other side. Line up these metal tabs with the notches in the body. And press into place. Install the plastic inserts and lock those into place. Now I'll go ahead and install the grill to hood wind deflector.